All-in-one video technology auto-creates profitable YouTube ads campaigns. DFY Lead Video Templates. Use YT Suite DFY Video Templates to instantly create lead and sale videos fully optimized for YouTube ads. Auto-create high-converting landing pages. Create congruent lead generation pages hosted for you that match your video ads for leads and sales. Find placements, topics, and keywords. Save money on your AdWords and YouTube ads campaigns by finding the best placements, AdWords topics, and keywords to show ads on. Get pre-qualified clients. Quickly find and land clients frustrated with Facebook ads and needing YouTube ads campaigns set up. In-depth YouTube ads training. Get bonus training on how AdWords works and best setup practices to go along with YT Suite Advanced Video Technology. No monthly fees, agency rights included today only. I'm highly recommending YT Suite over everything else. Hi, and thanks for giving me early access to test this. iOS 14 presents a gigantic opportunity for agencies as small businesses need fast leads and sales today. YT Suite helps create these profitable campaigns, but more importantly saves hours with the lead video creator. Other video apps just don't work as well, which is why I'm highly recommending YT Suite over everything else. Matthew R. They got so many leads the first week they are paying me monthly. Woohoo! Not only do these videos and campaigns look great, they convert very well. I implemented a YT Suite campaign for an agency client as a free trial and they got so many leads the first week they are paying me monthly to run more campaigns. You guys rock. Alexandria S. Facebook ads barely work now, and local businesses are panicking. Local and online businesses were already struggling to come online and keep their doors open due to the pandemic. Then, the iOS 14 update happened, which destroyed their Facebook sales and lead campaigns. Unfortunately, Facebook's answer to this advertising nightmare was to pivot to the metaverse, leaving already struggling mom-and-pop businesses in the dust. Give them a solution that works today: instant leads with YouTube ads. Meanwhile, Google planned for the iOS 14 update, and AdWords and YouTube advertising has greatly improved from just a year ago. Problem is, most small businesses have no idea how to use AdWords and YouTube ads, let alone how to create highly optimized PPC campaigns there with the new interface. That's where you come in with our automated, all-in-one video technology advertising system. Send daily sales to small businesses and run a YouTube ads agency. Hey, it's Ben Murray and Vivek Gore here, and after months of development, we've created the ultimate YouTube and AdWords PPC suite for this very reason. Help businesses stay afloat with daily leads and sales with advanced cloud video technology for the first time ever. YT Suite is an all-in-one, easy-to-use cloud app that does everything needed to create highly profitable AdWords and YouTube advertising campaigns for local businesses in a click. This groundbreaking app comes with agency rights, allowing you to run a YouTube advertising agency for the first time ever, or simply use the advanced drag/drop video technology to get agency leads yourself. This software is not only amazing, but absolutely essential. Luckily, I got to be an early tester for YT Suite and can confirm this software is not only amazing, but absolutely essential. Running ads campaigns is the absolute fastest way to guarantee results for any agency client, and YT Suite is the most comprehensive app to allow to do that fast and easy. Matt R. YT Suite is the most affordable and feature-packed solution. There are too many Me Too tools out there on the market these days that don't really solve any pain points of the customer. Not only is this software very high-end, it actually solves a giant problem. To stay in business long-term, you must do some sort of advertising online now, and YT Suite is the most affordable and feature-packed solution to that now. Great job on this one. David S. Get started creating profitable YouTube ads campaigns for clients by Step 1. Create their YouTube optimized lead video. Create a perfectly optimized YouTube video ad from many DFY templates in hot local business niches or from scratch. These templates are optimized specifically for YouTube and AdWords ads. Step 2. Find money-saving AdWords placements, topics, and keywords to save money. Then, make clients' YouTube campaigns profitable by letting YT Suite find the best AdWords placements, topics, and keywords to use in your campaigns. Uncover the best, hidden places to show your YouTube videos, the most profitable topics and audiences, and more to save as much money as possible. Step 3. Auto-create their AdWords optimized landing page. Next, let YT Suite create an AdWords approved, fully optimized, and congruent lead page for each video you make. Choose from many hot local business niche templates, customize each in just a few clicks, and host them on YT Suite servers. Step 4. Submit campaigns to their AdWords account and get paid. Then, finish creating your fully optimized AdWords campaign and submit it in one click to each client's AdWords account to start sending them instant leads and sales fast. Charge per campaign setup, per lead, or a monthly fee for app access. Just a few unique features include: drag and drop multi-timeline video creator. Create professional, high-converting videos from scratch or from carefully constructed templates for your video advertising campaigns. These attention-getting ads are complete with professional stock clips, voiceovers, music, graphics, and more, all fully customizable. DFY Lead Video Templates in hot local niches. Get DFY video templates to instantly create lead and sale videos fully optimized for YouTube ads. These are fully optimized specifically for YouTube video ads. Find profitable YouTube placements. AdWords allows you to choose specific channels, videos, or pages to place your ads on. This helps dramatically decrease costs. YT Suite enables you to find the most congruent and profitable placements for each of your clients' campaigns.